Big subwoofer in the back, like what up, bro? The windows of the frame, it's a party in this mother. Alright, what's going on, guys? It's your boy. It's Rusty Russ, and we got that dope ass track, like, on deck. Like, is it stealing? Like, nah, Snoop. But, like, if you listening to this, Snoop, or watching this shit, like, what up, Snoop? Like, sue me then, or, like, throw your shit up. Anyways, alright, guys. So today we're just gonna be looking at the markets, you know what I mean? Like, we're just check it out. I'm gonna give you those tickers, you know, because I know that you like tickers. You like them. You like them a lot, my guys. So I'm gonna give them to you. I'm gonna start with the dollar. Also, why are we not looking at the 10-year anymore? Because it's going lower and the 2 years going higher, which means it's about to cross. So fuck all that stupid bullshit, anyways. We already know the Fed's a hawk. So the dollar, I mean, what's it doing? I mean, let's look at the daily. We're just gonna look at everything on the daily, okay? And then we're gonna look at Tastyworks and look at some fucking yellows at the very end. But in the meantime, we're just gonna look at all this shit real quick. Like, quickly, we're just gonna look at all these damn fucking charts and we're gonna see what's up. Okay? Fucking dollar, what's it doing? It's tricky Dixie, man. I mean, this is a fucking flag, alright? Whoops. Let's go back to the beginning. But I mean, draw a trend line here and one here. I mean, you see it. Okay, but it doesn't fucking matter, right? Not anymore. It doesn't. All right, so this is oil. I mean, you see it touch this right here. Could it go back down? Maybe. We'll see what happens. I mean, oil is hard. This is the S&P 500. Gapped up higher. I mean, we're about to have this MACD cross here. I mean, could it get rejected? Could it go down? Could we get sounded rally? Like, we don't fucking know. Actually, like, we're in a part of the market. Like, who the fuck knows? Gold is just too hard. Don't fuck with it. That's lean hogs. This is natural gas. Remember when we were trading Boyle? That was some good money we made on Boyle, but I mean, fucking natural gas is dead now. So we're just not fucking with it. Let's check out. This is the NASDAQ, guys. Fuck. I mean, we thought we could get down here to 1501, right? That would have been a healthy pullback, but we didn't get that. We just got like a little pullback, and then kaboom, right back up. So I mean, again, maybe we just might crosses, maybe not. Maybe it just goes all the way back down. Like, we don't really know. You know, but there's a lot of market manipulation in Apple right now. All the call buying. Remember the gamma squeeze shit I was talking about, guys? That we're trying to do to AMC. People are doing it to Apple. So, like they did to AMD and Nvidia. This is our inflation trade. It's getting fucking wrecked. This is Alcoa. It's aluminum. So inflation expectations are going lower because the Fed is acting hawkishly. Right? The Fed's being a hawk. He's gonna get it under control. So the inflation trade is dead. If you wanted to trade something, it would be either the YOLO trade, which is fucking tech, or it's the reflation trade, right? Which would just be the rotation trade that we were doing in February. And I'll tell you what those names are. But Omicron is really killing those names like American Express and MasterCard and probably Toll Brothers, I was thinking, but maybe not. We'll see what's going on. Maybe REITs, like home builders, probably. Ticker symbol was it OC, I think. Anyways, we'll look at all that. Not yet, but like eventually, once this all calms down, and let's say the market fucking dies 20% in the next couple of months, you know, we'll look to those names. But that's way in the future. As of right now, I mean, Apple broke out of this line right here. Whoop, that is a breakout, and it's going even higher, right? It's at an all-time high. I mean, it's just absurdly bullish. Why is it absurdly bullish, though, guys? Like, for why? Why do you think? I mean, look at all this fucking call buying and why. No, that's AMC. I lied to you. AAPL. Finally wrote it right the right time, guys. Open interest on the calls. This is the 140, 150 strikes, right? Holy fucking hell. Like, if you had calls before the pump, like you're up, you doubled your money fucking pretty easily. Like 45,000 calls. Look at all these fucking calls. Like, hot damn. Look at the 17. Oh, this is the Witcher event, right? So the Witcher event is when we look at this grid, right? And we look at like for example, we see a bunch of fucking calls. Let's say we see a bunch of calls up here, but then maybe puts. We kind of find a way where like the market maker could park the price and kill both sides. But that's next week on the 17th. So the monthly expirations, we do those. But anyways, I mean, we're seeing a bunch of call volume, which again, remember what call volume, call buying does. If they buy a fuck ton, then it'll squeeze the price higher because the market maker will have to go onto the open market and buy shares to be able to sell you a call, right? Okay, before they dump all their shares and fucking win anyways, which is what they might do. I don't know. Adobe's a good ass fucking company, guys. But look at that big red candle right there. So we're just looking at tech again. Applied Materials. So a lot of people like to think this is like semis. AMC. So this is our fucking yellow. I mean, this MACD is about to cross in the daily. I mean, low. I mean, we haven't seen a reading like this for a long fucking time on the daily. I mean, I'm saying this is ripe for a squeeze all the way up to our fib level, guys. This is our favorite fib level over here, 210.95. Bang. Let's be a millionaire in a trade. I mean, not with all your fucking money though, and still contribute to your Roth IRAs, guys. Like $500 a month on a Roth IRAs. Okay, and you're buying like QLD or fucking SPY. Like, keep it boring, you know, because that boring shit allows us to be a little bit more bold here. Okay, so keep it boring, guys. Keep it boring on those Roth IRAs. Like, I'm fucking serious. Like, I'll find you. Just kidding, I won't. AMD. Okay, it pulled back, didn't really go back to that 164 level. Look, master right up at that fib. Oh shit. Can I go? See, it's bouncing between these two fibs. That's not a terrible range. I mean, 130. Can we see it pull back to 130? I think so. I mean, once Nancy is done and had her fill, I said it. Nancy Pelosi, best market timer of all time. Holy shit! Look at Amazon. I mean, a really well-defined channel. I mean, can it go up? I mean, all the tech charts are looking like this. Fucking big gap up in the morning, and that MACD about to cross. Could it go back down? We don't know. Okay, because the fundamentals are saying that the Fed is a hawk, and that Evergrande shit, you know what I mean? Like, they freaking defaulted, like, for real. So, you know, just let's follow the fundamentals, guys. Let's follow the fundamentals, not the hype, and let's manage position size. Okay, American Express. This is our reflation trade. It went up. It got fucking bullish, by the way, but Omicron was like scaring it, so that's why it went down. But it was usually the reflation trade will win eventually. So I'll get you guys a reflation trade watch list, and we'll just trade those once all the drama's gone and everything flushes down. This is Blink. This is too volatile for you guys, especially for the purposes of our put credit spread strategy. Like, you guys are just not gonna be able to do that. This is Boyle. It's natural gas. Is the bullish ETF. BYND, don't do it. Caterpillar, I mean, maybe. They got pricing power for sure. Chegg is fucked. Coinbase, I mean, no. This is our Moomoo trade. Finally went above our strike late November. That was cool. We got CrowdStrike. Remember when we were trading CrowdStrike? Or what was it? No, it was Zscaler. Yeah, we'll look at that pretty soon. We got Deer just trading on a flat line. It might go up to 400, maybe. I mean, the longer the base, the higher on space. This is the diamond. This is the Dow Jones Industrial Average. You got that big pump up. I mean, just like everything else. Disney getting fucking wrecked. Dish getting fucking wrecked. DraftKings fucking wrecked. Dollar Tree, what the fuck up? Inflation trade. Dust, which is fucking gold. It's either the bearish or the bullish ETF, I don't remember. This is Facebook getting absolutely slaughtered. Can it go back down to 300? I was gonna call out Facebook and Amazon. Remember that one day, 2 days ago? And I fucking didn't. I only called out like 2 of them. FedEx. I mean, transportation's like maybe, I don't know. I mean, oil's about to go down, so transportations might be up. We don't know. GME. I mean, GameStop. I mean, I like AMC better, because for one, it has more meat on the bone, and also look at how fucking pricey these damn calls are. They're expensive. I mean, nope, they're not really that. Oh, okay. I mean, they're not that expensive. I mean, these 200 ones, these 190s, they're not that expensive. But I just don't think it has as much meat on the bone, my guys. Like, I really don't. You know, like if you want GameStop, if you want to bet on GameStop, like on some yellow ass shit, you buy the 200s. But like, I just don't think it has enough meat on the bone for it to fucking go blitz like AMC does. Like, I think AMC can go molasses, which is the mother of all fucking short squeezes, guys. Let's go back to the charts. Google, McDougal, we saw that pop up. Goldman Sachs, like we thought, the banks went higher. Duh. Gush, which is oil, went higher. Home Depot is going higher, which makes sense. It's a reflation trade. We got Honeywell. That was last year's winner. This is the Russell 2000. Still trading in that range. Tried to break out, but didn't. We had this JP Morgan trade. Remember we were doing that? That was a good move. Kroger. This is some Warren Buffett shit. We have Southwest, which could be a reflation trade. It's just that fucking airlines, their balance sheets are still garbage. Like, they're uninvestable trash. Even Southwest. Yeah. So I mean, we could do MasterCard eventually, but I mean, MasterCard's fucking volatile. We got Mr. Car Wash. Microsoft did the exact same thing. I mean, we're just seeing the same. I don't want to spin your guys' wheels here. I'm not really seeing anything too good here. I mean, Nike. I mean, that looks like a flag for sure. I mean, NUGT, Nvidia, what the fuck? Like, is it gonna go back down? I mean, it's Nancy Pelosi's stock. Can I like go back down here and touch this line? Let's see how much room we got. See how far it is away from the mean. Alright, let's just... I mean, 31%. It's 31% fluff. Like Nancy's boobs. I said it. This is, what is this? PFE. Oh, okay. Pfizer. No one fucking likes Pfizer at all. I mean, they're fucking big pharma. Fuck pharma. Dave & Buster's, I mean, could be with a reflation trade. This is our puff stock, guys. This is PayPal. I mean, I'm a fan of PayPal. I forgot why their growth story went down. They missed earnings for some reason. They were overvalued for sure. QYLD, this is our trade for sure. Like, just buy as many as you can every single month in your Roth IRA. Fuck it. And then we got the Russell. Let me see. I'm just looking through these real quick to see if we have anything good. I mean, Snapchat, fucking wrecked. Spy. Okay, Square. Yeah, Square got fucking wrecked, guys. Just like we thought it would. Same number, same hood. It's all good. SDBKS, semis, Target. Okay. I like Target. Guys. I won't lie to you. Like, I do like Target. It's just that the thing about Target, guys, it's a defensive. So my play on Target would be like Christmas and everyone's bullish and all this shit. But like Target, it's just that when we put our strikes, I'll show you in a minute. Like, it's got 10% to an all-time high. So it's got about 10% meat on the bone, but we don't want to make a trade, and this is about to cross. We don't want to make a trade that we have to get an all-time high to win. You know what I mean? Like, we don't want to do that. T-Mobile, But I'll show you what a target trade would look like in a minute. Uber, United States Oil, the VIX came right back down. The close is below 20, where bullish is all fuck. Got for Verizon, Wayfair, WDC, Walmart. Oh, Target's doing way better than Walmart. Win, not winning. ExxonMobil, Zoom, fired everybody, fucking bastards. What was that? Zscaler was what we wanted to look at. Zscaler. Okay, yeah, no, got fucking wrecked. I remember, I think we were doing it here, right? We were here. We were like, quick, put debit spread, and went down to exactly what we thought it did, and then it shot all the way back up. That was a good ass move. Zscaler, I mean, it's right here at the mean, and it's a good ass company. So like, really though, like if you did want to pick up shares like in this area, like maybe 275, 276, green light, just a few, not too many. And this is after you've bought your $500 in QYLD. Don't be an asshole. Okay, check it out. Let's look at, I wanted to teach you guys how to use this shit. Okay. You stupid motherfuckers. Okay, so let's say we're looking at Target, right? And I type Target in the top. This is the chart. So I went to Tastyworks, opened it on the desktop, and I clicked the chart right here. And I have IVR, right? So IVR. So when IVR is really low, that means these things are fucking cheap. Okay? Does that make sense? When IVR is low, these things are cheap. And usually IVR is the lowest as the stock price is going up. But here on Target, we're not seeing that. But anyway, so let's look at a Target trade real quick. We want a short put vertical. We click go. We want it to expire a couple weeks, 23rd or before Christmas. Fuck it. I mean, let's decrease that timeline just in case. Market's volatile as fuck. Let's see if we can get a better width. We can. We get $2. Okay. Let's say, what is it trading for right now? $2.45. It'd have to go up $2.50. So in this instance, it going up $2.50, we get a max profit of 122 and a max loss of 128. That's not good enough. So Target is just not a viable candidate. But let's say we wanted to do Amazon, even though like where we believe in it. You know, like let's say I want Amazon to go. It's long put vertical, so put debit spread. I want Amazon to go down. You know, let's say that's what I'm thinking about. Long. Wait, what? Yeah. Okay. I mean, this is the one we got, right? I mean, this is the one we got. Which one was the one we got this week? It was this one, right? And then we, yep, right? Okay. So this one, we're green on this one. This is great. So let's say we wanted to get like something like this, and we looked at Amazon and we were thinking like we want $280 in profit, $220 in max loss. We received 220. We paid $220 in a debit, and as it starts to move down, we can make 20%. That's not really terrible. But anyways, let's look back at our IVR shit. I wanted to show you the difference. So I have IVR here, which is on Tastyworks, and relative volatility index, which is basically our RSI, but fucking volatility. So check it out. And this is the chart of Amazon, right? This is the price of Amazon, and these are just the bars, and this is volume. And I didn't even put like anything up here, like moving averages or anything like that. So, but this is Amazon, right? This is the daily. So it's a 1 year, 4-hour chart. I guess 1 year. We can do 1 year day. Okay, fine. But anyways, okay. So when the IVR is low like this, it means that the price of like for example put debit spreads is lower, right? Opposed to when the IVR is really high, and that might be when you want to when you want to do a put credit spread, because you receive more in credit, right? Your max loss to max gain ratio will be better if you get, I put credit spread here, and I put debit spread here. If you think the stock's going to go down from here, that's when you get to put debit spread, because we'll get the better price. Okay, and that's pretty much all I wanted to show you guys this video. Just kind of like break down a bunch of stuff of what we're seeing, and I wanted to learn you fucking nerds on some other shit. Fucking Tastyworks died. Fuck it then. I have a potato computer. But guys, like, let's be safe. I mean, let's blow the windows out the frame and shit. But make sure to subscribe and like and comment. Definitely subscribe though. Like, tell everyone you know about my channel. Like, why am I not famous yet? You haven't shared my shit is why. Like, share my shit. Fucking bitch. No, I'm just kidding though. But like, please though. Appreciate it. No, it'd be appreciated though. I'm just playing around. But alright guys. That'll be it for me. Deuce.